Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine, thank you.
Sounds good.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too, James.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States, specifically New York. What about you?
I'm originally from California.
That's awesome. How old are you?
I'm 26. So, what do you do for work?
I work as a doctor. What about you?
I work as a doctor.
That sounds interesting.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother. How about you?
I have an older sister. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing basketball. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy jazz music. What's your favorite season?
I like summer the most. What's your favorite season?
I prefer winter. Do you like flour?
Yes, I love flour.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, especially Italian food. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting and dancing. What are your hobbies?
I like photography and cycling. What kind of coffee do you like?
I usually drink cappuccino.
Nice choice. I like latte.
Do you go to coffee shops often?
Yeah, especially when I want to relax.
Same here. I also enjoy listening to music in cafes.
What kind of music helps you relax?
Soft pop songs mostly.
I think jazz music is perfect for evenings.
That sounds peaceful.
Do you enjoy sunsets?
Yes, I love watching sunsets. They make me feel calm.
Same here. I could sit and watch the sky for hours.
Especially when the colors turn orange and pink. It feels magical.
You know, sunsets are even better when you watch them with someone special.
Then I guess this sunset is pretty special already.
It was nice talking to you.
It was great talking to you too.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.